Hello everyone, my name is Bradley. I'm a sales representative at Mountain View Honda of Dalton, Georgia. Going to do a quick walk around here of our 2026 Honda HR-V. This is our EXL model. It's the highest trim that you can get in the HR-V. It does come with the factory tinted Honda windows on it. This is our metallic black color from Honda. It does have the black wheels on it, and it does have the loads of room here. This is an all-wheel drive vehicle. The seats will fold down to give you even more space, and of course you do have the spare tire in the back. And over here on the inside, lovely leather interior, and I'll go ahead and show you all the features in here. All right, everyone, let's look at the inside of this 2026 Honda HR-V EXL. It does come with the leather interior here. They are bucket seats in the front. They are powered and heated. It has the all-weather floor mats on the floor. It does have different drive modes, 3 to be exact. It is a push-button start car, electronic parking brake. It does have the wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and a wireless charger in it. It has all the safety features that Honda offers with it. It has the lane departure assist, adaptive cruise control, and it also has the automatic headlights on this vehicle, along with a beautiful sunroof. Absolutely just a spacious vehicle. And of course, if this is something that you want to test drive, or if you have questions about it, just come and let me know. Again, my name is Bradley. We are located at 2704 East Walnut Avenue. Again, my name is Bradley. Come see me. I'll take care of you.